Hello traders, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. Sorry I couldn't update you guys last week. I had a super busy weekend, plus I didn't really see any good setups for last week. That is why I just didn't bring myself to update for what will be happening in the Forex market last week. But then this week comes up with some very interesting setups in the form of channels and a triangle on the AUDCHF, the EURCHF, and the GBPJPY. Let us analyze and see what this week has in stock for us. Starting with the AUDCHF that is already on the screen, you can see that it found support nearing the end of September and it has been rising steadily ever since then. So the steady rise has produced an up channel, and with this setup, as long as the AUDCHF keeps trading within the confines of the up channel, the bulls remain in the steady control. One thing that would really bring momentum into this market is a breakout. That is a break of either the resistance, which I think is very unlikely, or a break of the support of the channel, which is very likely in my opinion. So a break of the resistance would bring in even more bullish momentum, but then for bearish momentum to step in, a break of the support is needed, and with a break of the support, an additional break of the price of interest, which is what I've represented with a black line, is needed. So this price of interest comes in at the 0.65640. The second pair in focus for the week is the EURCHF. EURCHF is currently dealing with convergent price action, as it has moved pretty much nowhere for close to 3 weeks now. Last week's movement was very minimal, so the price action keeps on converging and converging. As of now, the convergent price action has given us a symmetrical triangle to work around with, and it has given us a simple breakout trade idea. A break of the support of the triangle would render the EURCHF bearish, and conversely, a break of the resistance of the triangle would render the EURCHF bullish. So just stay patient and wait for the breakout whilst being cautious of false breaks, which is very true for this week's setups. On to our final pair for the week, which is the GBPJPY. This pair has a lot in common with the AUDCHF setups. I mean, with the setup, it is also trading in an up channel, and as long as the GBPJPY remains within the zone of the up channel, the bulls are in steady control. It will take a breakout for good momentum to set in. A break above the resistance would be good news for the bulls, and the break below the support of the channel would also be good news for the bears. So with the GBPJPY also, your patience is needed for the breakout to occur before making any move. I don't really think trading in a tight range is a good idea unless you are trading from a very low time frame like the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you probably next week if there are any good setups to look at.